Hey guys, are you having trouble getting CapCut templates to show up in TikTok? Don't worry, I have got you covered. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly and easily fix this issue so that those templates are visible again. I'll go you through the steps one by one so that you can get back to creating content in no time. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how to fix the CapCut templates missing from TikTok. To get started, open up the Google Play Store and here in the search bar you have to search for TikTok. So after that you have to make sure that you are using the latest version of app. If you are not using the latest version and have an update available, go ahead and update your app. You need that latest version of TikTok to use all the features that TikTok has to offer. Another thing is that update fix bugs and glitches in the app, and the whole reason why you were missing CapCut templates might be a bug or a glitch in the app. Updating should fix that issue. Once you have updated your app, go ahead and open up the app and you should be good to go. One thing you keep in mind that if you're watching the videos that do not contain any CapCut templates and want to know how to try them, you can find videos that use those templates by tapping on the search icon at the top right corner of the screen, and here you have to search for CapCut, and now you will see a lot of videos that use the CapCut templates. So go ahead and tap on any of the videos, and now there you can see there is written CapCut try this template. So then it will open up that specific template in the CapCut app. So if you don't have CapCut installed on your device, simply get it from App Store or Play Store, and after that tap on use template. You simply have to select the photos or videos from your gallery, and after that you have to click on preview, and CapCut will create a video for you which you can share on TikTok or Instagram. So guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.